Hi students, welcome to Topper's Edge. Today, we're diving into smart and effective ways to prepare for your chemistry board exams. If you want to score high with less stress, you're in the right place. Let's get started. At Topper's Edge, we believe in studying smart, not just hard. This session is all about effective chemistry prep, especially for Class 10 and 12 students. We'll cover tips, strategies, and last-minute hacks you can't afford to miss. Always start with your syllabus. Don't waste time on topics that aren't in the exam. Make a checklist, tick off topics once done. Trust me, clarity and scope saves time. Chemistry isn't about mugging up reactions. It's about understanding why things react, when they do, and how. Visualize reactions. Relate them to daily life. That's when learning sticks. Make concise notes. 1 page per chapter is ideal. Include key reactions, formulas, and terms. Use color codes or sticky notes to highlight important stuff for quick revision. Numericals are scoring, but only if you're comfortable with them. Understand the logic behind formulas and practice a few every day. It's all about consistency. Don't ignore NCERT. Almost all board exam questions are straight from it. Read, revise, and solve every single question, especially the in-text and back exercise ones. 90 to 95% board questions from NCERT. Mainly focus on examples and solve all questions. Start solving sample papers a month before the exam. Attempt them like real exams to improve speed and accuracy. Analyze your mistakes and learn from them. All topics are important, but some carry more marks. Focus on those. The 80-20th rule says 80% of questions come from 20% of the syllabus. Use it to your advantage. All topics are important, but some carry more marks. Focus on those. The 80-20th rule says 80% of questions come from 20% of the syllabus. Use it to your advantage. 25 minutes study, 5 minutes break cycles. You're now ready to ace chemistry. For more such tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.